Are you ready for some football? Because tonight, we're breaking down every way you can catch Sunday Night Football, so you never have to miss a single touchdown. First, the classic route. Good old broadcast television. Sunday Night Football airs live on NBC, so if you have a TV antenna or cable subscription, simply tune into your local NBC channel. Check your local listings to confirm the channel number in your area. Now, for the cord cutters, streaming is your friend. Peacock, NBC's streaming service, is the main hub for watching SNF online. A Peacock premium subscription will give you live access to watch on Peacock. Simply download the app on your smart TV, phone, tablet, or computer. Sign up for Peacock Premium, and you're all set to stream the game live. But wait, there's more. Services like Hulu Plus, Live TV, YouTube TV, and Sling TV also carry NBC in many markets. These are great options if you want a broader range of channels beyond just Peacock. Check to see if your preferred streaming service includes NBC in your local channel lineup. Most offer free trials, so you can even test it out before committing. Whether you're sticking with traditional TV, diving into Peacock, or exploring other streaming services, you've got plenty of ways to enjoy Sunday Night Football. And now get ready to cheer on your favorite team. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more football tips. #SNF #footballfan.